ओम श्री परमात्मने नमः। गीताभ्यासे 15-18 यस्मात् क्षरमतीतोऽहम् यस्मात् क्षरमतीतोऽहम् अक्षरादपि चोत्तमः पदच्छेदे यस्मात् क्षरम् अतीतः अहम् अक्षरात् अपि च उत्तमः अतोऽस्मि लोके वेदे च प्रथितः पुरुषोत्तमः पदच्छेदे अतः अस्मि लोके वेदे च प्रथितः पुरुषोत्तमः। वाक्यांशः विश्लेषणम्। I have the columns here. अनुक्रमाङ्कः कर्तृपदीयाः कर्मपदीयाः अन्ये सुबन्ताः विधेयाः अव्ययानि कृदन्ताः तिङन्ताः. These parts of the predicate and this part of the subject and predicate. अहं क्षरं यस्मात् अतीतः अक्षरात् उत्तमः अपि च अस्मि लोके वेदे पुरुषोत्तमः अथ च प्रथितः. In 1a, Atitaha has its own object, Ksharam. Yasmat in 1a and Ataha in 1c make a conjunctive prayer. Ksharam Atitaha, Aksharad Uttamaha, Purushottamaha iti Prathitaha are adjectives of Aham and hence Vidheyaha. Aham Asmi makes the main clause Pradhan Vakyansha. अन्वेषः शब्दाभ्यासः. यस्मात् अहं क्षरम् अतीतः अक्षरात् अपि च उत्तमः अस्मि. यस्मात् यत् सर्वनाम पुल्लिङ्गं नपुंसकलिङ्गं पंचमी एकवचनम्. अहम् अस्मत् सर्वनाम प्रथमा एकवचनम्. क्षरं क्षर विशेषणं पुल्लिङ्गं नपुंसकलिङ्गं वा द्वितीया एकवचनम्. क्षर एडजेक्टिव क्षरति स्यन्दते मुञ्चति वा. क्षर अच मेल्टिंग अवे मूवेबल पेरिशेबल. क्षर सर्वाणि भूतानि कूटस्थोक्षर उच्यते. दिस इज फ्रॉम भगवद गीता 15.16. अतीतः अति अति प्लस इ धातोक्त विशेषणम् अतीत. अत्र पुल्लिंगं प्रथमा एकवचनम्. अतीत पास्ट पार्टिसिपल इ त gone beyond crossed used actively, exceeding, going beyond, avoiding, overstepping, having passed over or neglected, etc. with accusative or in compound, parichhedatita, beyond or past definition, sankhyamatita or sankhyaatita, beyond enumeration, innumerable. Tamatitasya te, this is from Meghadutam. Yamunamatitamata shushruvanum amum. Vayotita, past youth, advanced in years. Sarvarambha परित्यागी गुणातीतस्य उच्यते. This is from Bhagavad Gita 14.20. कैलिंगैः स्त्रीं गुणानेता अतीतो भवति प्रभो. बाणपथमतीतः क्रव्यभोजनः. So अतीतः gone beyond. अक्षरात् अक्षर विशेषणं पुल्लिङ्गं नपुंसकलिङ्गं वा पंचमी एकवचनं. न क्षरः यस्य सः तत्वा अक्षरः अक्षरं न बहुव्रीहि नॉन पेरिशेबल. अपि अव्ययम also च अव्ययम and उत्तमः उत्तम excellent विशेषणम् अत्र पुल्लिङ्गं प्रथमा एकवचनम्. अस्मि अस् धातोः लटि उत्तमपुरुषः एकवचनम्. अस् असंग भुवि टू बी टू एग्जिस्ट अदादि द्वितीयगणीयः परस्मैपदी अकर्मकः सेट. अतः लोके वेदे च पुरुषोत्तमः इति प्रथितः. अतः अव्ययम् हेन्स. लोके लोक पुल्लिङ्गं सप्तमी एकवचनं. लोकः लोक्यते असौ लोक है the world, a division of the universe. Roughly speaking, there are three lokas, Swarga, Prithvi and Pata. But according to fuller classification, the lokas are 14. 7 higher regions rising from the earth, one above the other. That is Bhurloka, Bhuvarloka, Swarloka, Maharloka, Janarloka, Taparloka and Satyaloka or Brahmaloka. And 7 lower regions descending from the earth, one below the other. That is Atala, Vitala, Satala, Sutala, Rasatala, Talatala, Mahatala, and Patal. The earth, terrestrial world, Lok, Bhulok, Ihaloke, in this world, opposite of Parat. Vede, Veda, Pullingam Saptami Ekvajanam, Vedaha, with ach, Ghaiva, knowledge, sacred knowledge, holy learning, the scripture of the Hindus. Originally, there were only three Vedas, Rig Veda, Yajur Veda, and Samaveda, which are collectively called Trayi, the sacred tribe. But a fourth, the Atharva Veda, was subsequently added to them. Each of the Vedas had two distinct parts, the mantra or Samhita and Brahmana. According to the strict orthodox faith of the Hindus, the Vedas are apaurushaya, not human compositions, being supposed to have been directly revealed by the Supreme Being, Brahman, and are called Shruti, that is, what is heard or revealed, as distinguished from Smriti, that is, what is remembered or the work of human origin. See Shruti Smriti also. And the several sages to whom the hymns of the Vedas are ascribed are therefore called Drashtaraha, seers, and not Kartaraha or Srushtaraha, composers. Purushottama, Purushottama, पुल्लिंगम प्रथमाएकवचन उत्तमः पुरुषः पुरुषोत्तमः कर्मधारय अथवा पुरुषेषु उत्तमः पुरुषोत्तमः सप्तमी तत्पुरुषः इति अव्ययम् लाइक दिस प्रथितः प्रथ धातोः क्त विशेषणं प्रथित प्रथित पास्ट पार्टिसिपल increased extended published proclaimed spread declared shown displayed manifested evinced famous celebrated renowned well known, intent upon, engaged in, devoted to, spread, stretch, different meanings in different contexts. अन्वयार्थ ओवरऑल में यस्मात् अहम क्षरमतीतः अक्षरादपि च उत्तमः अस्मि since I am transcendental to the mutable and above even the immutable अतः लोके वेदे च पुरुषोत्तमः इति प्रथितः hence I am well known in the world and in the Vedas as the supreme person पुरुषोत्तमः छंदो विश्लेषणम् यस्मात् क्षरमतीतोऽहम् अष्टक्षाणि मतीतो एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे द्वे अक्षरादपि चोत्तमः अष्टक्षाणि पिचोत्त एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका अतोऽस्मि लोके वेदे च अष्टक्षाणि के वेदे एतेषां मात्राः द्वे 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 प्रथित पुरुषोत्तमः अष्टक्षाणि ऋषोत्त एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका तृतीये पादे अपवादः because it should have been 1 2 2 it is 2 2 2 अन्यथा अस्मिन् पंचदशाध्याये अष्टादशे श्लोके अनुष्ठुप् छन्दः स्वाध्याय notes of self what was mentioned as uttamah purusha to anya in the previous shloka is mentioned here as aham purushottamah. In Sanskrit grammar, aham is uttamah purusha only. Rather, these phrases together relate to the mantra yo savasau purushas sohamasmi saha ahamasmi yaha asau purusha saha ahamasmi. See Ishopnishad 16. So that anyaha uttamaha purusha saha aham asmi aham purushottam mentioned here in loke vede cha purushottama iti prathitah. Loke in this word prathanam of him as purushottama can be only with the accomplished souls buddha. In vedaha of course it is rushaya, rather the suktani proclaim give prathanam of him as Purushottama. See, Vedecha Purushottama iti pratita appears to be a direct reference to Purusha Suktam. Vedecha, Suktam from Veda. Comes to mind that a study of Purusha Suktam should be interspersed here. Does the word Anyaha in Uttamaha Purushatu Anya also Aham Ksharam Atitaha Aksharadapi Uttamaha endorse Dvaitavada, the philosophy of dualism. Actually, should one look at Dvaitavada and Advaitavada as two mutually contesting schools of thought? Basically, what are Dvaitam and Advaitam? In Update Dictionary, Dvaitam, Dvidha itam, Dvittam, Tasya Bhavaha, Swarte, and duality, dualism in philosophy, the assertion of two distinct principles, such as the maintenance of the doctrine that spirit and matter, Brahman and the universe, or the individual and the supreme soul, are different from each other. Advaita. किम शास्त्रम श्रवणेन यस्य गलति द्वैतांधकारोत्करः. Advaita, not dual, of one or uniform nature, equable, unchanging. Tam sukha dukha yoho. This is from Uttar Ramcharita. Matchless, peerless, soul, only, unique. Advaitam, Naitat Purusha. See, Advaita adjective Nai Bahurihi, not dual, unchanging. Advaitam Naitat Purusha, non-duality, identity, especially that of Brahman with the universe or with the soul or of soul and matter. See Advaita also, the supreme or highest truth or Brahman himself, Advaita. Interestingly, the compound word Advaita is deciphered in two ways, as Nai Bahurihi, hence an adjective, and as Advaitam Naitat Purush, hence a neuter noun. I think the issue is best settled by Srimad Shankaracharya himself when he says, Sarvadavitopashame cha Advaitam. See Bhashyam on Mantra 3 of Mandukya Upanishad. Very clearly, Sarvadavitopashame Advaitam. It is all one, Advaitam, when, rather only when, all dualism is nullified, Sarvadvaitopashame. So, Dvaitam and Advaitam are not any Vadaha. Advaitam is a state to be attained, Sarvadaitopashame, by nullification of all dualism. This Gita Abhyasa is for studying Sanskrit and Gita together. As studying Sanskrit, the study details Padachedaha, Vakyamsha Visheshanam, Shabdabhyasaha, Chando Visheshanam. As studying Gita, the study details Anvayarthaha and Swadhyaya, that is notes of self-study. This study is Swanta Sukhaya, for self-contentment. Glad to share. The text can be read and downloaded from my blog post, to which links are given in the description box. Shubhamastu.